Want to make money without creating products or handling customers? Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 2025, the easiest way to earn passive income from your laptop. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product, people buy through your link, and you earn a commission. That's why influencers, bloggers, and creators love it. The simple process. 1. Join an affiliate program. 2. Get your unique link. 3. Share it through your blog, YouTube, or social media. 4. Earn every time someone clicks and buys. And with better AI tracking tools in 2025, affiliate marketing is more accurate and beginner-friendly than ever. Top niches this year. Web hosting and cloud services. Software and automation tools. Finance and investing. Health and lifestyle. Join programs or web hosting companies that offer high recurring commissions. Tips to grow faster. Create helpful, valuable content. Focus on SEO and consistency. Build trust with your audience. Track what converts and optimize. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with patience and smart strategy, it's one of the best ways to build long-term online income. Subscribe for more digital marketing tips and start turning your clicks into cash.